Introducing the Titen Turbo concrete and masonry screw from Simpson Strong-Tie, a next-generation screw anchor that delivers consistently smooth installation and superior holding power. The Titen Turbo's unique combination of pointed tip and serrated leading threads provide faster, easier installation when anchoring through wood into concrete. A 6-lobe countersunk head reduces cam out, prolongs bit life, and creates a flush profile. And the baked ceramic coating provides corrosion resistance. But what's truly revolutionary is its torque reduction channel. Ordinary concrete screws require time-consuming removal of dust from pre-drilled holes. The Titen Turbo's channel traps dust where it can't obscure the thread action, eliminating the need for hole cleaning, and drastically reducing torque-related issues like binding, stripping, or snapping. Use the Titen Turbo to attach patio door track, window frames, and other applications that require anchoring into concrete or masonry. Pre-drilling can be done with a standard drill bit, and the screw can be installed with any cordless tool. With some of the highest loads in the industry, the Turbo offers greater strength than traditional concrete screws. The Titen Turbo concrete and masonry screw from Simpson Strong-Tie. Reliable installation, less torque, superior holding power. You gotta drive it to believe it.